Hello everyone. We are just going to start out here by downloading Kdenlive, so open up your browser of choice. If you see this area up here, I have a virtual machine going on. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Doesn't matter. So I am in a Linux environment, and I came in here so that you guys could see me download this fresh, because I have it on my original computer already, and I don't want to uninstall it and reinstall it. So let's just get into it. So you've got it for. So it's just going to be Kdenlive, and you're going to look for, it's a free open source video editor, and you're going to look for this symbol here. That's the one you want. Anything else, it's going to be something else. So this looks like the right stuff. We've got this really classic background. That's a Kdenlive background. And there's documentation in here. You can use this. There's all kinds of tutorials right inside here if you want to get into more detail. We're just jump straight into downloads. You're obviously going to choose the operating system you have going on. If you're on an Apple, double check, make sure you have Silicon or an Intel. If you have Linux, I'm going to use AppImage, and then if you're on Windows, probably go with an installable, but you can also do standalone if you want to do that. So we're going to go ahead and download this now. Okay, so it downloaded nice and quick. Of course, this is just the install. So we're going to open it up in the folder here. Now with Linux, it can be a bit finicky installing things, but something that this computer has is, okay, so I downloaded the install package, the app image there, but I realized in Linux you have to do some terminal stuff sometimes to properly install an application. So I'll show you what I did. I'll show you the command I ran, but let's take a quick look. There should be an actual app store, and that will eliminate this whole process if you do not want to do this and you are for some reason on Linux. If you're on Windows or Apple, of course your life is going to be much easier. So okay, if you went ahead and found your local Linux app store there and downloaded Kdenlive, that should have everything set up for you right there. If you went and installed it the terminal way, I'm not sure if you actually needed to download the install folder to your downloads from the internet, but I just ran this line here. You can see it at the very bottom. It's sudo apt install Kdenlive. Very straightforward. It just worked, and then everything, it went. I had to put in my password because you use sudo. You have to put in your password, and then I went ahead and hit yes to everything that it asked me to. If it asked me yes or no, I hit yes, and it installed. It actually took a little while, which is a good sign. It means things were working. And then I have no idea where this is on my machine, but with this Linux, you can just go. So so I wasn't able to find the app to click on it and open it, but I can just let's see. There we go. I can just type in Kdenlive right in the box here, and the way that you open this, if you don't know already, is the Windows key and then T. So Windows T to open up your terminal here, and then sudo apt install Kdenlive, and then to open it, just Kdenlive, hit enter, and boom, you're in Kdenlive. And if you go back to the terminal, you're going to see that you no longer have that string of. So let's just open up another terminal, and you can see it's a little smaller, but you can see this whole area is ready for typing. Whereas on this one, this terminal is running the instance of Kdenlive, and if we close Kdenlive, if I can find my mouse, close Kdenlive, then it comes back. So this terminal cannot be closed while Kdenlive is running without closing the app. So you just gotta leave that going there, and it's running in the background. Don't even worry about it. So now you are into the software. Congratulations, it did all the install for you, and you've got nothing to worry about. You are good to go. If you're on Windows or Linux, or Windows or Mac, obviously you're probably done several minutes ago. So yeah, thanks for checking this out, and I've got another one coming up on how to import, and we're going to set up an import, and so that's coming up next.